Today, I heard you gotta do a Flipgrid video. Of course, I'm just like you guys. I don't wanna show my face. So you get to look at a panda. For your Flipgrid video, we're gonna be learning hand movements. I guess I'll help you out. The first two main parts is going to be the nucleus and then the electron cloud. Oh, sound familiar? Those are going to be your two first parts. Think of them like a home. The nucleus is a home, and the electron cloud is another home in the atom. First hand movement I will demonstrate, take note, you're going to be doing this in your Flipgrid, is the nucleus. You're going to put your hands together, make like a little ball, and that is nucleus. So when I say nucleus, center of the atom, you're going to put your hands together in a little ball. Right. Next part. We already discussed the first part of an atom, which is the nucleus. Now it's for the second part, the second home, the electron cloud. Guess what that means? Just hands. It's a bunch of space. So you're going to put your hands up in the air and shake them. That way you know that's the electron cloud. It's where the electrons live. The electron cloud. The next hand movements are going to be for your subatomic particles, for those, those members that live there, okay? They live inside the atom, but they got special homes. Cool? Let's begin. This part in your video, after you show me the two main parts of the atom, you're going to show me the hand movements for the subatomic particles. The first one, let's talk about these cool dudes. They're always positive. They're always happy. Like your crazy teacher, all right? They're called the protons. So you're going to put your fingers and make a cross because it's a plus sign. So whenever I say protons, you show me a plus sign. Also, after you show me the plus sign, you're going to show me where they live, in the nucleus, in the center. So you make a cross for the proton, and then you show me the two hands together, which show the home of the proton, which is the nucleus, the center. Cool? And they have a mass of 1 atomic mass unit. What is their purpose? The purpose of a proton, remember I told you it gives an element its name. Remember, like 2 protons, it shows that it's helium, just like we drew this week. All right, so the proton plus sign lives in the nucleus of the ball and 1 AMU. Moving on to the proton's buddy. Listen up. Everybody's forgetting this. So we're going to really, really focus on this one. Where was I? Protons. Who else lives in the... Oh, neutrons. Neutrons. So the best buds of the protons are the neutrons. Okay? So the neutrons, you're going to show me, make an O with one hand because they have no charge. Neutrons have no charge and are neutral. NEU, neutrons, NEU, neutral. Okay, so you should be showing me a 0, like with your hand, for neutrons, no charge, neutral. They live in the nucleus. You put your hands together, make that ball, because they live in the center with the best buds of protons, and they have the same mass as a proton. A neutron will have 1 AMU. Wow. Now, what is the purpose of a neutron? The purpose is it holds its best bud together inside the nucleus. Okay, its best bud is a proton. So the proton and the neutron are together and make the mass of an atom. All right. Panda left because it's time to talk about the electrons, the bad guys. I don't want no proton that's positive. I don't want no neutral guy there. Neutrons, no. I want negativity. So I'm an electron. Get it? I don't know. So has a negative charge. Electrons, negative. The hand movement you will use for an electron is you're going to show me a flat hand. It's going to look like a minus symbol or a negative symbol. Get it? Get it? Electrons, negative. And you're going to move it all around because electrons are constantly moving. They don't like anybody. Moving all around the nucleus. They are outside the nucleus. They don't like anybody. They're negative. Cool? But what is the purpose of an electron? Remember, the purpose is reactivity. It determines the reactivity. Reactive. So, now you know that I'm negative. I'm an electron. Electrons have a mass of almost zero. They're so tiny. It's a subatomic particle that's so tiny. The mass of an electron is actually 0.00055 AMU. Right? So little. No wonder so negative. Hanging outside. Get it? All right. Let's review. Oh, wait. Let's call Panda. Panda! Hey, guys, I'm back. Sorry. The other dude was too negative for me. His name's Electron. Okay. So, let's review the hand movements, okay? Do you remember? Yes? For your Flipgrid, this is an example what I'm going to look for. So you would say 2 parts of an atom. Nucleus is center. Put your hands together in a ball. Nucleus. Then you give me jazz hands because that's the second part of an atom, the electron cloud. And you got to move those jazz hands. Electrons are always moving. All right, now we're going to move on to the subatomic particles. You're going to show me the charge, but also show me where do these particles live. Ready? Protons, plus sign. So you make a plus sign with your fingers, like a cross. And then after the cross, you put your hands together in a ball to show protons, positive, live in the nucleus. Now, in the next part, you got to show me the proton's best friends, neutrons. Remember, you're going to show me like a little O with your hand because neutrons have no charge. They're neutral. Neutrons, no charge, neutral. And remember, you got to discuss it as well. Don't just show me hand movements. Be like, what? What are they doing? All right, so neutrons, you would show me an O. Neutrons are neutral, okay? You're going to show me an O, neutrons, and you would say it. Neutrons, show me an O, neutral, no charge, okay? Then you put your hands back together because they live with the protons in the center, which is the nucleus. Hey, I'm back. I'm the electron, okay? Last hand movement you got to do and show me. And talk about it, all right? So the electron is negative. So you're going to show me a flat hand, like a minus sign, and shake it everywhere because we negative people just like to be mean and be everywhere. Negative, okay? Electron, negative. Now, after you show me the minus symbol with your hand for electrons, where do the electrons live? Where do I live? Jazz hands. I live in the electron cloud. And that's it. Okay? Your mission on the Flipgrid video is to show me the hand movements, explain the correct charges and where they live. You get it? You get it?